Hello everyone, welcome back again, and I hope you all are doing well. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make mozzarella cheese and capsicum muffins, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. So for my ingredients, I have here 2 cups of plain flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 large chopped red capsicum, spring onion, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of polenta corn flour. I also have 1/4 cup of buttermilk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So to a large bowl, I'll add the flour, polenta, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and salt, and also cayenne pepper. So I'll now mix to combine, and I'll set it aside. And in a separate bowl, I'll add the butter, sugar, and 2 eggs. Then I'll go ahead and mix it with electric mixer until it's very smooth. And at this point, I'll gradually add the buttermilk and mix until very creamy. And I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. So I'll go ahead and add it to the flour mixture, and to it I'll add the capsicum, spring onion, and the mozzarella cheese, and I'll mix well to combine. And at this point it's very thick, so I'll add the remaining butter, and I'll keep mixing it until it's very nice and fluffy. And I'll add the remaining buttermilk, so I have here 12 muffin tins that I'll be using. So I'll now grease the muffin tins, and I'll go ahead and spoon the butter into each of the tins. And if you have watched until this far and you like this recipe, please kindly give me a thumbs up, like, and also share and subscribe. I have already preheated my oven to 220 degrees Celsius. So you can enjoy these tasty and delicious muffins with your cup of tea or any beverage of your choice. And I hope you will give it a try. And I'll be baking it for about 15 to 30 minutes or until the muffins are cooked when tasted with a skewer. And at this point our muffins are all done. It's very, very delicious and simple, so I hope you will try this recipe. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.